Everybody, welcome to the ServiceNow Store. I'm here sharing a quick tip on using the ServiceNow script background. What do we call it normally? The background script. So this background script has it's got really the modern coding playground on the Washington release. So if you haven't yet upgraded your instance, make sure you go ahead and upgrade your instance. Here I have a personal developer instance which I have already upgraded to the Washington DC release. So that's where you can find it in the Washington DC release. One thing I can tell you here is once you upgraded, you will come here script and you will see that script dash background. That's what it is. But if you have already a bookmark previously, make sure you go ahead and delete that bookmark as well, because this is the new one that you can find it. So by clicking script dash background, you will have this background script playground where you can write really a modern script using this background script. Now you can do all the things, what it really lacks is the save, because normally we run this background script to do some job, for example deleting record or creating or even testing some background script. So that's the main thing right there, and it doesn't have any save button, which is fine. It also contains all the things that usually that previously we have it. You can select the scope where you're going to run. Right here currently I'm on the global scope, and also you can do record for rollback. It's automatically checked. You can remove that, and cancel after 4 hours is already checked, and that something was already there. Okay, now let's go ahead and do a simple background script that can go ahead and create an incident out of this background script. So we can go ahead and quickly run and see what are the things that I can get. So you see, by typing var, I can see I can have these different options can come for me. If you are var gr, let's go ahead and put equals here, and I say new. Right, as you type, there are a lot of suggestions can come for you in glide record. So as I go ahead and type, right, you can get all the bell and whistle, what we really love doing this in the background, doing this in the business rule or a script include. Okay, now let's go ahead and put incident right here. I'm gonna hit the incident table. Okay, and you see that you can have some context help as well here. Glide record is a table, comma, incident glide record incident. Okay, you got that kind of cool things here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a semicolon to make sure my code ran correctly. So if I say gr dot initialize, okay, we're gonna go ahead and initialize. Right, let's go ahead and put this here. After we initialize, what we're gonna do is we're gonna glide record to the description. You see that I don't need to type in, all the description is here as well, right? Description, and then from there I'm gonna say description. Let's put it in quotation here. I'm gonna say test. Okay, we'll create an incident and we'll say that description to be test, and from there gr dot, you see, right, gr dot what, add active query, encoded query, and all the things right there. All right, gr dot insert. Okay, insert right there, insert. So we're gonna go ahead and insert, and let's go ahead and put okay, we're gonna close, and then if we go ahead and run this background script, you'll see that it's automatically created an incident for us. All right, not only incident, so it also telling us that notification was sent or executed out of this, and then this notification, there was no recipient for that, so sign to was empty. See, you are getting all this cool information. So if you go ahead and click on this number one, which is a link here, the record that is created, you can see, you can directly go to the incident that has been created. Okay, incident number right there, and also that's the number right there, and the document ID incident inc, so the rollback sequence, right? So if I click the incidents, I can go ahead and take a look at that incident. Okay, incident. Awesome, awesome. All right. Okay. Yep, right there, description test. With the description of test, it's automatically created. So that is the cool part of background script. You can go ahead and create, records, or you can delete record, or even you can test your script include or any script that you are writing for that need to be run in the background using the script background here. So got this all the bell and whistle to go ahead and write your code that what you love in background script. So that is the tip and trick I have for you, where you can get it here in Washington DC release. So if you haven't yet upgraded your instance, or your clients not yet decided to upgrade to the Washington DC release, which is going to be available very soon for the public, make sure you consider that. It's got a lot of cool features. And thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet liked it or shared it, please go ahead and like and share. That will really help us to make more content. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you. And if you have any tips and trick you want to share to me or to the ServiceNow Star community here, please go ahead and put it in the comments. All right, we'll see you until on another one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.